So, hi guys, hi everyone. Hope everybody who wanted to see this live stream on live, they received this possibility, and we will not wait for people who are late, and they will have the opportunity to watch everything if they miss something, to watch everything on video because this live stream is recorded. So let me introduce myself. My name is Vladimir. My last name is Rakhov. Today I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to give you some information about the great, unique business opportunity, and you will decide if to join us or not. But I assure you, this is going to be something really, really interesting. So let's start. And now I will share my screen. Now I will share my screen because I have some slides there, and I will explain everything using these slides. So yes, I think my screen is sharing, and today we're going to talk about a company with the name of Omnia. Omnia from Latin language is like all, like everything. So Omnia is a company of blockchain, technology, blockchain industry. It doesn't matter if you know something already about blockchain industry or not. You will receive this information very, very shortly. So in this video, in this live stream, I will tell you just the main ideas, the main information. So this will not take a lot of time. So I hope 30 minutes or plus or minus will be enough. And let's start. So here are some facts and history of our company. Omnia was established in August 2017, and here on the picture, on this picture, you can see one of facilities that are located in Armenia. Actually, company has 4 registration. It is registered in Malta, in Cyprus, in Gibraltar, and Armenia. So here's a picture from Armenia. As for today, today's 21st of September 2018, company has its representatives more than in 100 countries. Also, this picture is also from Armenia. It's a view from, it's a bird view of our mining farms, because our company Omni has own mining farms in Armenia and Sweden. Also, there was another facility in Austria. I was there personally, but there was made a decision to move Austrian facility to Sweden. And then I know that in plans of management, of Omnia management, there are plans to move all the facilities, even from Sweden to Armenia, and to fulfill all these huge facilities there in that country, in Armenia. Why Armenia, someone asked? Because Armenia is a free economic zone for blockchain companies with 0 taxation for the next 5 years. That means that up to 2023, any company that works in cryptocurrency, in blockchain industry, they will not pay any tax to Armenian budget. For sure, it's very, very sweet conditions that Omnia chose, and now we have, I would say, the main facilities in that country, in Armenia. Also, Omnia provides the most profitable business conditions in the whole mining industry. If we talk about mining, well, actually today we're going to talk about something different from mining. But if we talk about mining, Omnia is the leader number 1 in mining MLM, among mining MLM companies, because it provides the most profitable conditions. So it pays much more than anybody else in this industry. One more thing that I think is very, very important, that Omni is the most open company, because you can always visit its facilities in Armenia and Sweden. Here on this picture, you can see a group of leaders from Russian-speaking countries who visited Armenia in the end of July this year. So anybody from all over the world can visit these facilities to assure that this business is really exists, that this business is really growing. You just take a ticket for a plane, you take a plane, go to Armenia, and with your own eyes you can see where and how this company works. On this picture, you can see our beautiful office, the headquarters that are located in Cyprus, in city Nicosia. It was enough about facts, and now I would say that Omnia is really not stoppable. And I will explain to you now why I say so, because we also have a new product. So almost about a year, we were working with mining, but now we have something different. Now we have trading opportunity, like a trading bot, or I would say even something more than trading bot. It's artificial intellect for cryptocurrency trading. Let me explain you in more details what is this. What's this trading bot? It's up to you what to say, how to name it, trading bot or artificial intellect. I like both. The trading bot is easier. Artificial intellect is, I would say, more deep in explanation of how it works. So what is this? This is an opportunity for investor to have fully automated trading system, which multiplies your, as investor, cryptocurrency 24/7. So let's say you invest and you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to be very qualified. You don't have to look for analytics. You don't have to look for graphics and everything. You just invest, and every week you receive your dividends to your blockchain wallet automatically. You even don't have to withdraw this money. You just receive them automatically. The second is Omnia Trading Bot is completely automated for investor, but it's always under trader's control. I think it's very, very, very important, because we know that this bot will not ever lose investors' money, because it's always under traders' control. How the company, how Omnia found or invented this technology? It was looking for something in trading industry, in cryptocurrency trading industry. Omnia was looking something very unique, something very reliable for about 6 months. It was investigating, it was testing some proposals on the market, and it was working even with developing something by itself. And now we have these bots as a final result. So why this system is unique? Because it's profitable both on growing market and on falling market. So there is no matter if BTC is going up or going down, investor is always in profit. So it's like Bitcoin is 10,000, you are in profit, or Bitcoin is 7,000, you are also in profit. There is no matter if market goes up or market goes down, because there are some other trading proposals, some companies who say they trade, they don't have something similar. They can make you money when market is only going up, but when market goes down, they lose investors' money. I know some examples, I will not tell about them, but I really know that. But it's not about Omnia. Omnia Trading Bot is working on increasing market, and it's going on falling market. And the second and the last thing I would tell you, it's about security. That we have much lower risks of trading bot, because it never trades with 100 of capital. It takes just 20 to 30 of the whole deposit. Well, from one side, it's not so important for us because we completely in automatic mode. But to people who understand a little bit in trading, I think this will be quite important. So let's go further. ROI, return of investment. So what is average return of investment? Looking at this image, we can see that from May 2017 to June 2018, the average profitability for all this time being, it was of working of this system, it was about 13% per month in BTC. So it was not in dollar, it's in Bitcoin. It's very important to remember. And the second thing is that not in any day was fixed negative profitability, whether Bitcoin price was growing or it was falling down. As it was said before on previous slide, no matter if Bitcoin goes up or it goes down, the investor is always in profit. Let's talk a little bit about packages. So what kind of proposals we have? We have really different proposals for any kind of people who has not so much money, and we also have a proposal from a company for people who are quite rich. So the smallest package is trainee. It's 0.05. Then we see rookie, 0.1 Bitcoin, then starter, 0.2, and so else up to 20 Bitcoins package with the name elite. Here we also have to pay a price. Here we call it license price to company to have to participate in these tradings. So when we participate trading, when we invest our Bitcoins to company, we have to pay a price. In each particular case, we can see the different price. So it's like $50 for 0.05 Bitcoin. It's $100 for 0.1 Bitcoin, $200 for 0.2 Bitcoin, and so else. So it's very important. And also you can see here the sign of 12 weeks. That means that once you invest, your trading has started, you have 12 weeks of trading. When these 12 weeks are finished, when they are over, you get your deposit, your capital back to your blockchain account. And it's up to you. You decide. If you want, you can continue. You can reinvest your money. If you want, you can keep your money, or you can take more money to participate with higher amount. Actually, there is no matter what kind of package you take, what kind of package you use. You can add any other amount of package. So for example, you entered to try with rookie 0.1 Bitcoin, then you understood that everything goes well. You took package with light, so for 0.5 Bitcoin. And then you propose your friends to make a pool, and you took package elite for 20 Bitcoins. So everything will be collected, and all the three packages, they will be in work, and for all the three packages you will receive dividends and everything. So the important thing that as it was said before, the system is completely automatic. It's completely automatic, and when you invest your money every Monday, you know the percent rate of the previous week trades. So you know the percent rate. Like for example, 1 week of trading passed, and on Monday, by the end of the day, you receive the information that percent for the past week was about 2.7%. And from Monday to Wednesday, but more often on Monday or on Tuesday, you receive your dividends automatically. So once you input the number your blockchain wallet in back office, it will be used for automatical withdrawal. So company will automatically send your dividends to your account. I hope it's clear. What do we have here? So someone will ask how much you can earn, because we have a deposit, we have a capital, and we have a license. So let's make all the calculations. I will make the calculation to make it easier, and I would say that's a very popular package is a package for 1 Bitcoin with a license price of $1,000. So we will take the trading period of 12 weeks. Actually, you can choose 12, 24, 36, or 80 or 48 weeks trading period. Well, if you choose the longer period, you will have a little discount for the license price. But I prefer to work with the short one, trading period of 12 weeks. It's like 3 months. So each month, company makes for you from 10 to 13, and as we can see, average it was never lower than 10% per month. And you should remember that deposit, your capital, is refundable. So when 12 weeks is over, you get your money back. So let's go to our calculations. We have 0.1, if we have a deposit of 1 Bitcoin, we have 0.1 BTC Bitcoin as a monthly profit. We multiply it to 3 months. It's 12 weeks, right? And in the end, we have 0.3 Bitcoin in 12 weeks, minimum or more, from 0.3 to 0.4, I would say. If you like everything, if you every 3 months finished, you use reinvest, you make reinvest, and if you go for a year, your annual profit will be 0.1 multiplied to 12. Your net profit will be 0.2 Bitcoins. So totally, you will have in your hands 2.2 Bitcoins. 1 Bitcoin as your capital, as your initial capital, plus 1.2 Bitcoins of net profit. So totally 2.2 Bitcoin. It's about 100% of net profit per year. If we compare it to our bank's profit, I think I will not even comment this. I will not even comment. So we go further. How much you're gonna earn if you decide to work actively, not just investing, but if you decide to propose this company to somebody else? What we can see, the license price is the amount that is taken for marketing plan, for compensation plan, because a company doesn't take your deposit. It's not a pyramid to cut the deposit. Company takes just 1%, and give it to marketing. All the rest amount, it works in trading. So here are some, I would say, some major bonuses that you receive when you work actively. So there's direct referral bonus of 15%, and it's taken from $1,000. So when you sponsor personally a person, and it goes for trading of 1 Bitcoin, and it pays for services $1,000. You get first $150. You have binary bonus 15%, so it's another $150. Then you get direct deposit bonus of 1%, so 0.01 Bitcoin. As for today, it's about $65. So if you sponsor this person, you will totally receive about $360. And if this person is completely satisfied, everything goes well, everything goes smoothly, he tried and he assure that company is really great. He continues to work. What happened? All the year there are 4 quarters. So after each quarter finishes, the person goes for reinvest, and you have completely the same referral program, completely the same earnings each time when a person make reinvest within a year. So generally, it's gonna be $1,200 and 0.04 bitcoins. Well, roughly saying it's about $1,500 or $1,500 a year from one person who you invited for trading in our company. And just imagine that it's at least one direct partner. If you have, let's say, 10 direct partners, they will bring you about, I made the calculations, about $15,000 a year, just only 10 people, just only 10 people who you invited personally. But it's not out. It's not over. I should remind you that we all work in binary marketing. Binary marketing, it's completely unique system. And let's see one example that I want to share with you. Just let's make calculations only with binary bonus earnings. So I even took very small package. I didn't take 1 Bitcoin package. I took 5 times less. I took a package with 0.2 Bitcoin with trading license price of not 1,000 but just $200. And here are the very small conditions that I used to make these calculations. The condition is you have to invite just 2 persons in your first month in this business. So when you are in this business, you come for this package 0.2 Bitcoin. You use license of $200, and the only conditions you have to make is to invite another 2 persons in first month of your work, and that's all the year you do nothing, you just observe your business. And also you have to learn your people, you have to teach your people to do the same. So first month, let's see, first month your team received only 2 new people. You received some turnover. We will not go deep with these meetings. And your monthly income was, wow, it was 0. The second month, you received 4 new people in your group, in your team. And you received your monthly income just $50. Month number 3, you received 8 new people in your group, in your team. And you received $150. Well, you can spend it to your children. You can, I don't know, you can buy some candies or some sweets to this money. So for sure, it's not enough to live good. Month number 4, you receive 16 new people in your team, and you receive $250. Let's skip month number 5, month number 6. Let's go to month number 7. In month number 7, you received 128 new people in your group, and your monthly income is already good. It's a little bit less than $2,000. It's almost $2,000. Let's keep month number 8. Let's go to month 8 and 9. Let's go to month number 10. In 10th month, you receive more than 1,000 people, new people in your team, and your monthly income is already good. You earned more than $15,000 on 10th month. 11th month, new 2,000 more people in your group, and your paycheck is more than $30,000 per month. And the last month of this year, the 12th, you have more than 4,000 people in your group, and your paycheck is more than $61,000 for at least for just 1 month. Totally, for the year, for this very simple work, for this very simple job, you received more than $120,000 totally. So what did you do initially? You entered for 0.2 Bitcoin. You purchased a license for trading of this amount with a price of $200. First month, you invited only 2 people, and you taught them to do the same. And look what happened. Look what happened in just 12 months. So it's a theory. In practice, of course, there would be maybe a little bit different conditions. And let's say this theory is very high motivating. Let's just divide it to 10. Let's just divide it to 10. After all of this happens, you will have about 400 people in your team, and you will have more than $12,000 in the end of the year, in the end of 12 months. I wouldn't say it's big money, but I would say you have to try for this, isn't it? Okay, guys, we go further. Just want to remind you something else, that we took just 3 source of income in previous slide. We were talking about passive income, that is from 10 to 13% per month in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Actually, several days ago, company also launched not only Bitcoin trading, but also Ethereum trading. And now we have this possibility. I didn't reflect it in my slides, but you have to know that it really exists. And we even hope that Ethereum trading will be more profitable than Bitcoin, because everything is up to volatility. But Ethereum volatility is higher than Bitcoin one. So let's go further. The second bonus is direct selling bonus. It's 15% from price of license, and it's also 1% from deposit in Bitcoin or Ethereum. The third bonus is binary bonus. It's 15% from weak leg. The bonus number 4 is matching bonus. It's go to deep, to 6 levels deep, and it's 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, and 0.5%. It depends on your rank, on your career. Also, a very sweet bonus of this marketing plan is turnover bonus, where you can get from $2,000 to $400,000 each month. It also depends on your turnover, for sure, but it's very sweet bonus that I wish to everyone to start receiving. And the 6th bonus is bonuses and gifts for ranks. So we have some gadgets. We have gadgets like iPad, iMac, MacBook. The company also sends its IBOs to traveling, and company also presents cars, very nice cars, Porsche, Maserati, and something else, but very luxury and good cars. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's all for now. That's all for now from my side. And let me show myself. So I really hope, guys, that everything was clear enough. But if not, you can ask the person who gave you the link for this video. You can ask for more explanations. You can ask questions to that person. And what I can suggest to partners of our company, if you are already in Omnia, I wish you to keep going. I wish you to keep pushing, because many people are still out of the boat, and someone will catch them on their boat. And I wish you to be those people who catch all of these millions of people all over the world in our Omnia boat, in your exactly your team. And what I would suggest to people who are not in Omnia yet, guys, just ask the person who gave you the um, who gave you the link for this video. Ask for a referral link. Ask to get this link and make your registration. It's completely free. It's free of charge. So you can become not a partner, but you can become a just registered member. You will see everything from inside. You will ask questions. You will be added to chats, to groups where people ask questions, where I would say life is going. And you will have 21 days to make your own decision if you are with us or you are on your own. So guys, I wish you to make your wise decision, and I wish you to make a lot of money with Omnia. My name is Vladimir. I say goodbye. Bye-bye.